Hello, I'm Mehul Mali from the technical department. So today we'll be discussing about the encoder replacement and installation process in RGL's 00 machine. And these are the tools required for the same: 2 mm Allen key, 4 mm Allen key, 8 mm Allen key and M10 bolt. Thank you. So now we'll be showing you the process of encoder replacement in RGL 00 machines. Now firstly, using the screwdriver, we'll remove the encoder cap. After that, we'll be removing the encoder cable. We need to ensure it is safely removed so that no pins will get damaged. And then, by using 4 mm Allen key, we'll be loosening the center bolt by 1 or 2 rounds. Please note, it should not be removed. This center bolt should not be removed from the encoder. We need to only remove it by 2 rounds. And then we'll be using an M12 bolt. Then we'll be loosening the side encoder bolt using 2 mm Allen key, so that the encoder will be free. And then we'll install the M10 bolt at the center. Using 8 mm Allen key, we need to tighten this bolt. We need to slowly tighten it so that the encoder will pop out. Once encoder is popped out, we need to remove this bolt completely. Okay. And then using 4 mm Allen key, we'll be removing the center bolt. By hand, then we'll be pulling out the encoder. And we can replace it using any new encoder if required. After showing the removal process of this, we'll be installing the encoder again for RGL 00 machine. Firstly, we'll clean the internal parts if there is any dust. We'll be putting the encoder now on its shaft in its position. So once the encoder is fixed in, we'll be taking the center bolt of the encoder, which is a special bolt, and using a 4 mm Allen key, we'll be tightening it. Once the center bolt is tightened, we'll take the 2 mm Allen key to tighten the side bolt. It should be tightened until the encoder is properly fixed. And then we can take the encoder cover. Firstly, we'll be installing the encoder cable. Ensure all the pins are properly inserted, otherwise it may damage the pins of the cable and the encoder. This is the shielding part which needs to be properly positioned in the slot. And then we can take the encoder cover and close it completely. This needs to be tightened using screwdriver. So this is the complete process of encoder installation and removal in RGL 00 machines. Thank you.